Hello and welcome to Wondershare Geonection channel. In our modern technology-driven world, sharing your location with others is more important than ever. Whether you're catching up with friends, meeting up with family, keeping track of your children or elderly loved ones, or trying to find your way around a new city, location sharing can make life much easier. And there are several ways to share your location. And if you're an Android user, this video is for you. There are various ways to share location on an Android phone. You can share it through text messages, social media, or locator apps. If you're interested, we can guide you through the process step by step. Use a location sharing app. One way to share a location is by using a trusted locator app like Geonection. With a Geonection app, you can share a location with family and friends, and they can view where you are in a map. You can also see where your loved ones are, stay connected with group chat features, and even view their driving history. Now, you'll first need to download and register for the app if you don't already have it installed on your Android phone. Once the app is on your phone, you can follow the next steps below. 1. Open the Geonection app. 2. Tap Get Started to create an account. If you already have an account, tap Login to sign in. 3. Set location to always. 4. Tap Create a circle, or you can join a circle. Be sure your location sharing is enabled since the app relies on this to work correctly. 5. Give the circle a name and invite new members. Share location with Google Maps. If you're looking to share your phone location with Google Maps, the process is relatively simple on your Android phone. In addition, since Google Maps comes pre-installed on Android devices, you will not need to download any additional apps. To get started, here are the steps to take. 1. Open the Google Maps app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Google account if you're not already. 2. Tap on the blue dot that indicates your current location. This will include a menu with several options, including share your location. 3. Tap your preferred real-time location sharing duration. Then choose the method by which you would like to share your location. You can share it through text messages, social media, or any other app that allows for sharing of location data. Once you've chosen the method for sharing, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's information. After doing so, your location will be sent to that person or people and be viewable on a map. You can stop sharing a location anytime by returning to the Share Location menu and tapping the Stop Sharing button. Share with WhatsApp. You can share a location using a third-party app such as WhatsApp. The WhatsApp app lets you share a location on a map in real time. Ensure you have installed and are logged into the WhatsApp app on your Android device. Then open the chat thread where you want to share a location, and here's how. 1. Open WhatsApp and locate the person or group you want to share a location with. 2. Tap the contacts or group name and select location. 3. Choose how long you want to share your location, then tap send. Share with Facebook Messenger. Your live location can be shared with friends in Messenger conversations so they know where you are and when you'll arrive. Only the people in that conversation will be able to see your live location. Live location turns off automatically after a set period, and you can stop location sharing at any time. To start sharing a location, 1. From chats. Open the conversation you want to share location. 2. Tap the plus icon in the bottom left. 3. Tap the location arrow. 4. Tap Start Sharing Live Location. Now to stop sharing location, 1. Open the conversation. 2. Scroll to the message where you sent your live location. 3. Tap View Location. 4. Tap Stop Sharing Location. How to share location between Android and iPhone. If you want to share location between an Android device and an iPhone, you can use the Geonection app. The app is available for Android and iOS devices, allowing you to share location with other people in your life. To use the app, you first need to create a Geonection account. Then you can add the people you want to share location with and view their locations on a map. In addition, the Locator app can share your location in real time or as a historic track. Sharing a location is a great way to stay connected with the people you care about. Whether you're traveling, attending an event, or simply running errands, it's helpful to easily share your location with others and keep track of their locations. Geonection can be an excellent tool for doing just that if you have an Android device. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, tips, and updates on Geonection.